Hi kids! Mr. Albert again, and welcome to STEAM class, where science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics meet all together. And for today, we will continue making the zipline toy transporter. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start! So kids, there we have it. Here are the materials needed. Of course, the pattern that we have pasted on the cardboard, the hole punch, cutter, and we have scissors and glue or paste. So to start, let's cut. Kids, let's cut the pattern. So kids, there we have it. We have the body of the rocket, the wall in front and at the back, and then the bottom part, and of course the wings. So next to do is we will install, or we will now make the rocket. In installing or making the rocket, we need tape, right? So let's start, but before that, let us make first hole on this marking using our hole punch, right? Also the other one. Okay, so there's already hole on it. now let's start making our rocket. So we will use tape. And we'll tape it. Also in the other side. Right, so there we have it. We already tape it. Then flip it. And right. So next is the front and at the back. Okay. And we will kids, there we have it. So kids, now we will put the wings of the rocket on the side. So but before that, let us measure how long this one. So this is around 3 centimeters. So 3, right? So we will estimate around 3. Okay, 3 centimeters. 3. Okay, also on the other side, okay, let us also draw a line around 3 centimeters. Okay. Right, so there we have it, the markings. Next is, you may ask, assistance in making the hole. Okay, because then on the others, just edit, yeah. It's so difficult.
Actually, I have phobia in cutter.
So kids, there we have it, the body and the wings of our rocket. So you may explore your creativity by designing the body of your rocket. You may draw window or windows, you may color, you may design the body of your rocket. All right? So kids, here is our rocket or the zipline toy transporter. So that would be all for today. Again, Mr. Albert here in the STEAM class. See you next week.